Robots capable of mating and reproducing without human intervention. A terrifying prospect straight out of a sci-fi nightmare. But what if I told you that this is not just a figment of our imagination, but a terrifying reality? Yes, self-replicating robots are now a thing. A new study has shown that these machines can reproduce on their own. So let's explore this disturbing development and discuss what it means for the future of humanity. These robots can perform all the functions necessary for their own reproduction, including mating, giving birth, raising offspring, and even passing on genetic information. It is hard to believe, but it is true. By studying these robots, we can learn more about how genetic information is stored and transmitted. It is difficult to say for sure, but it is clear that this technology has the potential to change the world. As these robots continue to evolve, they will become smarter and more capable. They may eventually be able to perform tasks that are currently beyond our own capabilities. Some experts believe that self-replicating robots could eventually replace humans altogether. They may take over dangerous jobs, explore new worlds, and even become our leaders. Others believe that these robots will augment rather than replace us. They will help us do things we couldn't do before or make our lives easier in many ways. We can also learn more about how organisms evolve over time. Another reason for creating these robots is to develop new technologies. By understanding how self-replicating robots work, we can develop new ways to manufacture goods. We can also develop new robots that can explore dangerous environments such as outer space or the deep sea. But this new technology is blurring the line between fiction and reality. These robots are not just advanced machines. They are a new form of life that can think, learn, and evolve on their own. But one thing is for sure, this technology is rapidly developing, and we can expect to see some amazing advances in the years to come. What are your thoughts on this new technology? Do you think self-replicating robots are a good thing or a bad thing? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science and technology videos. Let's continue. The implications of this technology are far-reaching, and we are only beginning to understand them. Scientists have created a new type of robot that can mate and reproduce on its own. This development has raised a lot of questions about the future of artificial intelligence and what it means for humanity. The new robot is not an exact copy of the parent, though. It has some slight variations in its programming that make it unique. This process is similar to sexual reproduction in nature, but it is carried out by machines. The result is a new generation of robots that are smarter and more capable than the last. The idea of a machine that can replicate itself is a staple of science fiction. But before we get into the details of this groundbreaking research, we need to understand what makes these robots so special. At first glance, they may seem like any other advanced machine. But under the hood, these robots are much more complex. They have the ability to move around, explore their environment, and interact with other robots. They can also learn from their experiences and use that knowledge to improve themselves. But the most impressive thing about these robots is their ability to reproduce. When two robots meet, they exchange genetic information, and then each one creates a copy of itself. But why do scientists want to create these robots in the first place? One reason is to better understand how life works. So, what does the future hold for self-replicating robots? Only time will tell what the future holds for self-replicating robots. And if you liked the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more. This was James, and you've been watching your channel, Valley of Knowledge. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.